this episode, we will be making the super-sized charcuterie board. But just a quick recap from the last episode. Oma and I flew from Vancouver to Saskatchewan and Lori made a chocolate truffle cheesecake for Oma's 92nd birthday. This episode, she'll show us how to put everything together. Hi, Chef. Can you tell us what's going to be on the board?
Oh boy. Well, lots. Cheese and cold cuts, of course, prosciutto and different salamis. Some really nice cheeses, my smoked applewood cheese. Delicious.
Oh, I love that.
And then some veggies, some dip for the vegetables, nuts, olives. I think just throw on some stuff.
More than just stuff. Sounds delightful.
Yeah. The fun is in arranging it.
There's going to be some fruits too, right?
Yeah. Most of the fruit is in the tarts over there, so
okay.
A little bit of fruit grapes, I think, is all we have here.
Tarts. We have the pinwheels here. Looking really good so far.
Just scatter them.
Let's do it.
I think I'll cut up some bread too and put it at the end. Not everybody likes crackers. So.
What's that?
It's mozzarella cheese.
Oh.
I'm not going to peel it.
I mean, they have hands, right?
They do. I got a room here.
Look at that.
I'm going to put on some rosemary.
Ooh. Is that the last piece?
I'm not sure. See what else I have. These are from
From Glenda.
Here, that comes up.
They are fresh rosemary. It's insane. I've never seen rosemary this huge before. I can smell them from here.
That's all right.
I don't really like the rosemary on
Don't you?
on the border.
Maybe in it?
actually. I think, yeah, in it would be better.
Yeah, that's better.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
And that's how you do a charcuterie board.
Well, that's one way of doing it.
Look at this craziness. Madness. And guess who gets to eat all this? Me. Oh my goodness, right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Perfect. I'll come after tea. Is the cheese good? What do you keep eating? That would be anyway.
excited about the party tonight?
I am. I'm very excited. It's gonna be a wild party.
Not too wild. Don't get your hopes up.
And if you want to learn how to make this chocolate truffle cheesecake, you can go back to the last episode. You'll see why I was hiding in the room eating this.